2013 Dodge Dart. A lot of people got a problem with the heat going out. They say it's the blower motor. The blower motor is located on the passenger side of the center console. Up here in the front, looking at the shifter, you go all the way up. Down here, the kick panel, on the left-hand side. It's up in there. I don't know if you can see up in there. It's a little dark up in there. Let's see if I can put some light on it. Anyway, it's up in there. It's got, right there, you can see it. It's got 3 screws. Where that red wire is going into, that's the blower motor. It looks like this. From the factory, it's going to have this little cover on it that comes off. It's like that. It sits up in there like that, 3 screws. Unplug the plug right there. The resistor is on the side. So anyway, when you take this off, this comes off like that. And what I did find is the aftermarket one does not need this cover. This cover is a part of this motor here. So you don't really need that cover. Don't have to go back on the new one, depending on what style you buy. The kind I bought, I didn't need the cover. I found it out the hard way trying to put it back on there, and didn't need it the way it's made. The real aftermarket one is all enclosed, so I don't have to worry about the motor getting dust or anything. Anyway, although another tip is the screws holding these are a 5.5 millimeter. Not a 5, not a 6, it's a 5.5. And they're kind of a pain in the butt to get to. You got to bend and twist. But the rest is pretty simple. It just plugs in right here, unplug it, plug the new one in, get it back in place. You take out that kick panel. I took out this cover that goes right there. It's pretty easy. The cover just pops in. You know, it's got these kind of those kind of little tabs right there. Usually one wire right here for the light. But that's it. 2013 Dart. Took me about an hour. Because I had to keep running in and out the house, grabbing the right tools, and didn't bending up in here. I'm a pretty big guy. I'm 6'2", so fitting inside this little car was no fun. I hope this helps somebody out there. All right, thanks. Take care.